The pros and cons to a HELOC, right? So I'm working on getting a $100,000 home equity line of credit. Listen, I love HELOCs. They are a great form of liquidity that you can show. It's kind of like having, a savings account if you ever need it, or a line of credit. But I will tell you, there are some cons to having a HELOC. Number one, its interest rates are high, right? It's variable interest rate. It's going to be 8 or 9%. HELOCs used to be 4 or 5%. So just keep that in mind. Number two, it's your equity in your house, right? So if you invest that money in a bad deal, you're throwing away equity, right? So you got to be really careful with it. Number three, it's actually really difficult to get a HELOC. You would think it's easy because it's secured to the house. It's actually not. 2 years tax returns, 2 years financials. It's almost a blood urine sample, right? It's a lengthy process, but what I like about it is just having access to it whenever I need it as an emergency. And also for the new construction, if I've got to show 100,000 in reserves, they will count that HELOC, right, all day long. So that is a perfect debt weapon to have. I got some pretty good HELOCs. Banks are still lending. So definitely reach out if you have questions.